Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Ishmael and I'm in the Grand Bazaar and we're going to see Wagwan, get some clothes. Let me know if you've been here before. So you've got your perfumes, hello.
Yeah, wait. I tell you something. You don't have to buy, I'm not trying to sell you something. You doing the video for YouTube?
Yeah, for YouTube. I'm good, thank you.
In this city, it's cheapest city in Ishmael. You can see the price everywhere, okay?
Yeah.
And the stuff's like between 5 and 10 pounds.
It's very good price.
For example, these are 2 for 10, yeah? We have the quality ones also.
Yeah.
Like to 15 and 20 quid. I have video on YouTube also before.
Yeah.
These are all the 5 pounds, for example, the hats 2 for 10, scarves 2 for 10.
Yeah.
Good sunglasses 10 and 15 pounds.
Yeah.
The best bet. Come.
My camera doesn't go inside because it's got a filter on, but I can...
Look. These are all the same price, good one. And there is a perfume, good quality one, the aftershaves or the perfume for men and ladies. It's also the the best, we're saying 25, 30, but the best price, 20 pounds for each.
Perfect.
And the cheap ones, as I say, 5 quid. Like socks, like quid, you know, we have the boxer shorts. Price is all the good. Okay?
All very good. And what's the name of the shop?
Jakub, that's the no-name shop actually, you know, we don't want to put the name because often we have some problem with the brands.
Okay, perfect. But come to Icmeler Grand Bazaar
you will see
and you will see with all the glasses and the perfumes.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. There you go. So if you want to get your hats and perfume, it's a nice little one to check out. So this one seems a little bit cheaper as well. I did just go in one up there and the lady was trying to sell me a top for... It was like a beach cover-up for 18 and I was like, nope. Just, no. Nice shorts there. So you definitely need to shop around and barter. Don't take the first price that you get. There's no need to take the first price you get. And then it goes all in there. I'm not going to go fully around because my camera's got a filter on and it'll just go really dark. Right, so we've just done the Icmeler Grand Bazaar. So yeah, definitely come down here. The prices are really good, a lot cheaper than what we were sort of seeing when we went to Marmaris. But again, check out those videos. But again, it's all about bartering. It's all about that gift of the gab. If you're good at sort of negotiating, I'm pretty sure you can get a haggle and get down to a price that you want. Nothing's really fixed. It's not like when you go to, you know, your Marks and Spencer's back home or wherever. You can always negotiate. So I've got here lots of bag shops as well. I do want to get a new bag. There's so many, and the ones that always say like 5, it's bargain. I can see that here. £5–10 is definitely worth it. Got your sort of Chloe Beach bags there. So yeah, that'll be a good one to definitely look around. Got your nice sort of croc bags there as well. Right, let's cross over. Still in sort of the main street part. So you've got Dolphin Square over there. I'm pretty sure that is Dolphin Square. Just to give you guys a little bit of a understanding of where we are. If you haven't been here, this is like the main high street. Hello. So you've got lots here, different prices, 5, flash clearance, only 10. Hello, morning. Good, thank you. So you've got a mixture of kids, women, men's. There you go, flash sale, everything 5 or less. Can't argue with that. And then you've got your hair salon. Hello, morning. Barber, shoes, bags. So you got loads. Those to have a nice little shop with. Got you on the salad there. And then what have we got here? Got outlet, there we go. Another big one. Got your bags again. So that's Mr. Cheap Outlet Bazaar. Mr. Cheap is also on the high street. It's really taken up the ads this year. Everywhere you go, taxi, all the signs. Can't escape Mr. Cheap, but there is others. Right. Do we go right? Do we go left? Let's have a little look. I think we're going to go left. Let's keep going down this way. So what we've got up there, Big Man Textile and bag. Nice little collection one there. This is a good workout. We've walked from our hotel, walked to here. I always think shopping is a workout. That's how I always see it. If ever I used to go shopping with sort of like family or friends, they'd always be like, oh, let's have a break for lunch and a coffee. I'm like, we ain't got time for a break or coffee. I literally like to do all my shopping. And then when I go home, I will have a little sit down and relax. So we've got the Grand Bazaar shopping centre. They're all basically called Grand Bazaar shopping centre. Let's have a little look. Got your hats, lots of shorts for the guys. Got these sort of leggings, so 2 for 10.
Excuse me, gym set then.
Ah, lovely gym sets, there we go. Got aloe. So yeah, not bad prices at all. Got your t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, and then any bikini 2 for 15, which isn't a bad price. Got all different ones. Got your Burberry, got your bling bling, Selects. Oh no, Secret, Victoria's Secret. Sorry, Select. Honestly, learn to read. Got all your sort of Calvin Klein boxers, Victoria's Secret. So you've got some kids stuff there as well for the little ones. And then you've got all your sort of sandals. This one's quite nice. Just again, you get what you get, don't you? So if you're coming here expecting it to be perfect, I always say usually these are about 10 or under. And they're going to last you the summer. No one really knows. I mean, no one's coming that close to your feet, are they? Or maybe they are. Got your more comfy ones, your Crocs sandals. Hello, morning. Shoes Man by Thomas. Beautiful. Lots of little trainers. See you later. Got your belts, your bags.
Nice. I look.
Hello.
Nice. I'm back.
Yeah, got your suitcases so you can carry everything back home. Yeah, good prices. Got your purses. Oh yeah, 3 for £10. That's really good. Very nice. I can't come in because the camera. Oh no, it's because the light. I'll see if it picks up. If it goes dark, guys, I do apologise. I've got a filter on.
Purse, wallet, purse, £10. 3.
Nice.
3.
Thank you very much. So yeah, that's it. Sorry guys. It's a good price. Got your perfumes again. Glasses. Speakers. Very blinged up lighters. So yeah, it was like souvenirs.
Get burnt really easy.
Got your shots. Yeah, I know it's hot out there today, isn't it? Are you? Oh wow, God. Yeah, lots of cream, lots of aloe vera. Yeah. Yeah, be careful, guys. It is hot out here. When it says 25, it is not like 25 in the UK. Little kid outfits. Rain Max. Probably won't need that much here for this time of year that we're going into, but at home, definitely. So yeah, you can just get lost in all the shops. It's good to sort of have a little good look around. Have a bag store.
Thank you very much for you taking our shops. My shop is your shop. This is all yours.
Thank you. Little mermaid outfits for the little ones. Perfect. So we've basically done like a little circle of the Icmeler Bazaar. Just wanted to show you guys. But again, take the time, go into all of them, have a little bath, have a little play around. And I'm sure you'll get what you need. And some of those prices, 3 bags or 3 purses for £10. Not bad. And most of them look like they're designer as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the rest of the videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.